When you play your competition in sports, sometimes you'll watch game footage or fight footage to see how your opponent reacts and interacts with their competition. Well, in darts, it's really you against the board, in my opinion. And to be successful, again, in my opinion, you have to find a routine that's repeatable. So in my case, I'm looking for the right setup, the right pullback, and definitely the follow through. If I can be consistent in that routine each and every time, or at least close to it, I'll be more accurate in my games. So today I'm just going to be aiming at the trip 20. I'll be throwing 6 darts at a time, and I'll talk you through it. So I'll be also making marks on screen of where the starting point is, where the pullback is, and the follow through, and to see if they're consistent based on what I hit. So here we go. Triple 5, so at least I'm on the right plane. Little high. Okay, that was a trip 20. Little high, straight, so that was way off. A little better. Okay, that was good. So I'm in the right area here. Maybe I need to shift a little bit to the right. Don't know what happened there. Just above. There we go. Now I'm going to try to Robin Hood this one. That's what my point is. Whoa. There we go. A lean forward, that helped. Okay, so I pushed it off to the right there. So if I can keep the same lean, starting point is the same, hopefully. Just below. Now Robin Hood just above. I lobbed it over. Oh, too much of a lob. Too much of a lob. A little more direct here. Oh, too much of a lob. So something happened there. Okay, much better. Good lean, that one. Right there on the black line. Okay, those were all right where I wanted them to be. The first one was lazy, but after that, they got nice and consistent. So whatever I'm doing right there, I want to repeat that in the future. Whether it's the lean, the follow through, but I'll watch my footage and check it out. Anyways, I think it's so valuable to record yourself with your phone, or in my case, I'm just doing some cameras here. Record yourself and see what you're doing right. Talk yourself through it, so when you do throw something correctly, you go, okay, what did I do there right? And then when you throw something off, like I did my lazy one, you'll say, ah, I see what I did there. I kind of just floated it. So big difference there. Thanks for watching, and throw them straight. Adios.